Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel At Home with Chelle. So I headed to IKEA today and haven't been for ages, so thought I would vlog it and take you guys with me so you can see what's new in store too. I really hope that you enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I know I really love watching these type of videos before I head off to IKEA. I think my favourite part of IKEA are all the room setups when you first go in, because they just give you so much inspiration. I wanted to get some bookshelves like this for Arabella's room, and also thought this was such a fantastic way of storing Lego and any smaller toy items. I loved this corner sofa. It was so comfortable too, and absolutely huge. If you have a room big enough, it would be perfect. These coffee tables are such good value as £50, as there are actually two there, so there's one bigger one and another one that goes on top. So you could have them together like this, or you could also split one and have one as a coffee table and one as maybe a side table. So basically you're getting two tables for £50, which is just such good value. I love opening all the cupboards to find different storage ideas, and I definitely need this in my corner cupboard in my kitchen. It would make life so much easier. If anyone has put this in their existing kitchen, then please let me know in the comments down below, and if it was easy, because it's something that I definitely want to look into doing. This table was new in and huge, and I couldn't believe it was only £499, which for a solid table of that size is incredible value. The TV units and the Besta units are actually great for building sideboards or TV units. We had it in our living room before we had the fireplace fitted, and now have it in our dining room as a sideboard, and they are amazing because you can mix and match everything to make it bespoke. I just wanted to add some legs onto mine, but unfortunately completely forgot to pick them up when I got to the end, which is really annoying. We stopped shopping for a spot of lunch and the queue was massive, but fortunately it did move quite quickly. After all, you can't come to IKEA without having meatballs. One of the reasons I wanted to come today was to look at storage for Arabella's toys. We just have so many toys after Christmas. We do already have a Calyx unit which is amazing for storage, and I wanted to have a look at what other options are available, as you can now get these drawers which are really cute, and the doors on the front too, which is a nice alternative to just putting the boxes in there. But the boxes that they have, I think they're called the Droner boxes, they're really good, and they do also have these wicker style ones which do actually look quite expensive as well. I really want to create a little coffee corner like this in my kitchen, and love this idea of the signs and the plants and everything. They had a couple of new kitchen setups which were amazing, and I wanted to share with you. I really love the dark colours in here, and this pantry and breakfast area is actually incredible. I would absolutely love to have something like this. This kitchen and dining room area was also new and thought this was incredibly beautiful. I honestly feel like this would be the perfect kitchen layout for me. I'm thinking of changing the handles in my kitchen to black ones. I've never actually done this, so again, if anyone has done this, please let me know in the comments below, or if there's anywhere else you would recommend to get handles from, as I did think these were quite expensive. This fridge is literally the fridge of dreams. So much space in there, especially if you have a big family. I thought this colander would be really handy actually for placing across the sink when you're doing food prep or rinsing vegetables, because it would make it a lot easier than having a round colander. Hopefully we will be redecorating our bedroom later on this year, so looking for more inspiration for the bedroom. I do like the thought of panelling it, and it's something that I would like to try out myself. I'm not a huge DIYer, I'm not that great, but hopefully it's something that I'll be able to do. But looking round in here is definitely giving me some other ideas too. I'm also looking for a smaller bedside table for Arabella's room. I do really like the drawers in here. We actually have the mound ones in our bedroom. Had them for ages, they're amazing. And I thought these smaller ones would be ideal, but the quality just didn't feel that great. They were quite stiff to open, so I didn't end up getting them in the end. I've never seen this mattress studio before. I think it must be new. Well, it definitely is to my store anyway. And I thought it was fantastic, as you can actually come in and try all the different mattress types, so you can lay on them and see which one you would prefer. They also had a huge range of mattress toppers and pillows. Again, all that you could try to see which one would suit you best. These Pax wardrobes are fantastic, and in hindsight I wish we'd have actually done this in our built-in wardrobe instead of having what we have done there, because you can just bespoke everything so much and really make use of the space that you have. So I'm also considering these Trofast units as an alternative to the Kallax units, because I think they'd be great for toy storage, because they've already got the big drawers with them. I thought they would be great for holding some of the bigger toys. So we're now finished in the main area. We headed into the marketplace. I did need to pick up a few bits and pieces in there just for the kitchen, but just to say, if you ever need any pots and pans or knives in particular, then I would definitely recommend the IKEA ones. The knives from here are honestly the best knives that I have ever used. How cute are these little espresso cups and saucers? I also thought these would be ideal for kids to have warm milk and little baby chinos in. I love these glass carafe bottles, either for filling with drinks, or I may use mine in my utility room and fill with softener, because I think they would look really nice displayed in there. I feel like whatever colour scheme you have in your house, IKEA has the matching accessories for it and soft furnishings. They literally have every single colour and shade that you could think of in cushions and curtains, which I think is just amazing. I really love these new curtains that they had in store. I like these grey kind of velvety type ones, and I think they would actually go perfectly in my living room. They actually felt really good quality too, and were lined. I absolutely love the home organisation section, as definitely need to pick up a few bits to get organised this year. There is literally every type of organisation, basket, box you could think of in here. Anything that you need to get your home organised, they have in IKEA. There's so many different storage solutions, it's amazing. Please tell me I'm not the only one who gets really excited by storage boxes. It actually sounds really sad when I say it out loud, but there is nothing more exciting than having an organised home. These orchids were such good value. They're normally £15, but they were reduced to £7, which is amazing. And I really loved this window box, which I think would look really lovely with some spring bulbs in it. So we are almost finished. I just need to pick up a few items, and I was so annoyed as the Kallax boxes were out of stock. But I did manage to pick up quite a few bits, so thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will show you what I picked up in a video very soon. Bye!